What's up, guys? This is Zach here, and on behalf of myself and my partner Ryan, I want to welcome you to Chill Commissions. First off, I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out what I got for you here. I know you guys get a lot of offers in your inbox, but you're here today, which is awesome. And I wanted to shoot you this quick video to tell you what Chill Commissions is. I think it's really cool, and it's been a real game changer for us and our business. So if you like it, you can make use of it. If not, that's cool too. So to begin with, we asked ourselves, what is one of the biggest problems in the make money online game? And we all had one answer, and that was getting started. When I was starting out, for example, one of the biggest problems that I had was that I found out that I was bleeding a lot of money, and that was before I'd even earned my first commissions, right? So this usually came in the form of hosting fees, autoresponder fees, landing page builder fees, just but to name a few. And that's not all. When you're new to the internet marketing game, you have to work a lot for the traffic that you get. So you usually spend a lot of time on social media prospecting new clients, or you have to create fresh content every week that you use to build up an audience that trusts you so that you can build a list that way, or and many other methods, right? And even if you decide that you don't want to do all this work and you're going to use paid ads, you'll find out that there's a very steep learning curve when it comes to paid ads. And you can even actually end up bleeding even more money through the paid ads, right? And that's before you even made your first commissions online. So the bottom line is we realized there isn't any clear path for anyone to break into the internet marketing space. And if there is, it's pretty tedious, right? Well, lucky for you and me, that changes today because we found a method that bridges all that together. A clear and proven method that anyone can apply and start seeing commissions right away. And that's what Chill Commissions is. Chill Commissions is a simple copy and paste method that we work for about 30 minutes every day, and it generates $200 to $300 per day. And it's all using 100% free tools. And what that means is we're actually generating these commissions without spending a dime, right? Without spending a dime. And I'm going to tell you how in a second. So firstly, inside Chill Commissions, what we do is we find product content that highly targeted buyers are looking for. And inside Chill Commissions, we're going to show you how and where to find this content. We then legally and ethically steal this content, edit it, we put in our cash magnet so that you can start pulling in buyer traffic. We also show you how to do this, all this inside of Chill Commissions, right? We then put this content in our traffic sources, and before you know it, it starts pulling in buyer traffic, and commissions starts flowing in soon after. So as you can see, this is a complete guide and a shortcut for anyone to get started or even improve their business if they wish to do so. I call it a shortcut because firstly, it's not time consuming because this is a method that you can literally work 30 minutes or less per day and literally start seeing commissions, right? You can start seeing commissions right away. And secondly, you're not spending any money to get these commissions because everything is built on 100% free tools. So you're not spending a dime to get these commissions. And lastly, it's a copy and paste method. So all the thinking is done for you. All you have to do is take it and apply it and you're done. Yeah, there's no thinking. That's it, and you're done. And it's easy that literally anyone can get started. You don't need a website, an email list. You don't need anything. Yeah. So to sum it up, inside Chill Commissions, we're going to show you a very easy copy and paste method that we find high targeted buyer content. And as I mentioned earlier, we're going to show you how and where to get this content. We'll also show you how to edit this content and add your cash magnets, right? And then we're also going to show you how and where to put this content so that you can start pulling it buyer traffic and you can start seeing commissions right away. Yeah. And if that's not all, you're also going to be shown how after getting these free commissions, right, where you don't have to spend a dime, how you can take this method and scale it to a full-time income online. Yeah. We're also going to show you how to do that. So basically what you're getting is you're getting a complete shortcut from beginner to expert, right? So if you want to start seeing commissions such as the one that you see in the page down below, we've put in some results of what we've been achieving with this system instead of Chill Commissions. I suggest you click the button down below and let me see you in the members area. If not, like I said, That's cool too. So that's all for now. I really hope to see you in the members area. Take care and bye bye.